Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there if you're brand new. My name is Rome. You guys are watching the 4th official referee blow whistle. Let's go. Listen, first and foremost, let us say a big congratulations to Manchester United's female team. They have made the female FA Cup for the first time in the team's history. Teams only in existence for the past 5 years. So big ups to Manchester United for making the finals of the FA Cup. We're going back to Wembley. Wembley. Anyway, we're going back to Wembley. We're playing Chelsea. So big up yourself. Everybody come support. Want to win this one big time. So yeah, big up yourself. Female team. It's going to be a big one. Big one. Before we get into the meat of the matter, before we get into what we saw with Manchester United, with Nottingham Forest versus Manchester United, let me get something real quick. Hold on. Ouch. Arsenal. What's going on, fam? Arsenal. What's going on, fam? Delhi. Scully. Hustler. All Arsenal friends and maybe friends. What's going on? What's going on, fam? 2 losses in 2 games. I think it's a loss because they lead in 2-0 and then you draw 2-2. There has to be a loss. I feel like it's a loss. You gain 2 points out of 6. What's going on, fam? What's going on? I'm waiting for you to tell me, fam. Listen, the game against West Ham, you guys went out 2-0 in what? 10 minutes? 10 minutes? What happened? I know the last game you saw Salah kick the ball wide. And like, you know what? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try that. That's what Saka did, didn't he? That's what he did, didn't he? Arsenal fans, before I go, may I ask something? Do you know who this is? Just asking for a friend. I just checking if you know him because he looks familiar. Arsenal, if you man don't win this league, if you man do not win this league this season, you will never hear the end of it. You will never, ever hear the end of it. Remember me tell you that. Bombo card. Okay, people. Now let's get back to the regular programming. Manchester United went down to Nottingham Forest yesterday, and my God, it was a game. It was a very good game. 2-0, easy win. Very easy win. They didn't show anything in the game, Nottingham Forest. They didn't have one shot on target. They had a few shots, but not even on target. And I am pleasant. It's been pleasant to say I felt comfortable watching the game after the first 30 minutes. After the first 31st minute when Marshall get through and hit the ball and keeper save it, Anthony came through and score, it felt comfortable. Jitters were out and just feel like, all right, this is good. We can win this game. So what did we see yesterday? First thing we saw was injuries, fam. Injuries. Marcel Sabitzer, he got kicked out of the starting lineup yesterday because he had some I don't know what the fuck he had, but his groin he wasn't feeling too well. Eric Ten Hag said, listen, we can't chance it. It took him out, brought in Eriksen. Yes, Eriksen's a decent, a matter of fact, the best replacement for him at this point. But my biggest worry is that's the 10th player that we are missing at the business part of the season. The 10th player we are missing from the business part of the season, fam. What the fuck are we going to do towards the end of the season when all the important games are popping up? What? It's like Pogba George start happen again, but happen to Manchester United, fam. It's like him have him warrior man and him science man at work overtime. Everybody get injured. What's going on? What is going on, fam? Varane injured. For what? Him ankle, I don't know. Martinez injured because him turned Pan him big toe, but mash up him little toe. I don't know. Shaw injured. I don't know. Malasia injured. Had his knee problems from before the last game. Now he's injured. Carried on to this game. He's not playing. He's not even in the squad. We know about Rashford. So many injuries piling up over and over. Come on, people. Come on, man. Come on. Manchester United, we need to do better with these injuries, fam. We need to, especially the business part of the season, Parry. The part where we need to be winning these games. What we saw yesterday, Bruno. The man is a magician. The man is magnifico. Bruno is just, what else can I say, fam? He had 60 goals, 52 assists at Sporting Lisbon. Guess what? He has 60 goals, 50 assists at Manchester United in the past 2 years. The man is just, I don't know what else to say about Bruno. I cannot tell you what else to say about Bruno other than he's just magical. Aside from Messi, Bruno has the most goals and assists in the past 3 years in the Paris. Listen to what I tell you. He might have more goals and assists in the past 3 fucking years, fam. What? Listen, my man. Listen. Bruno. What we saw was Anthony Dos Santos. Whatever the last name want be. Anthony. That man was killing it today. All the talk what you mind talking about, he's a flop and he needs to score and get more assists and all that stuff. What were you guys saying today, fam? Goal and assist for Anthony. And he was killing it down the left hand flank. Or the right flank. What are you saying now, fam? Anthony, you are doing a fucking fabulous job, fam. Mid-8ers go on 8 while we dissipate them defense, left, right, and center. What we saw was 14 clean sheets for David fucking De Gea. Remember that. So I'll talk about, him concede 7, him concede 6, him scoring per goal. 14 clean sheets. Him just jump past Nick Pope, who you were talking about. Newcastle has the best defense in the league. 14 clean sheets. The Newcastle that just played the day before, 3-0 from Aston Villa. 14 clean sheets. Big up yourself, David De Gea. We have a couple more games left to go and the season 8 left. Can get 5 out of that. All is well that ends well. They get the golden glove, fam. Get the golden glove. All is well that ends well. Finally, what we saw was Eric ten Heisenberg, fam. Eric ten Heisenberg. The man has been a miracle worker overall, completely overall. The man has overall his team in a way that is brought joy to be watching football again for Manchester United. In a team where he has turned Dalot into our left back, Aaron Wan-Bissaka and a right back, they come in inverted, making shots, scoring goals. This man is doing miracle work in football, fam. So all the time that he spoke on the earlier season about, I can't create miracles, I'm a Harry Potter. No, fam, you are Jesus. You are fucking Jesus. You fucking Jesus. People, remember, drop a like on the video, subscribe for brand new. Hail Mary, Mother of God. Bless yourself, bless up others. Manaz.